Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. This is Wendy. It is the end of July, and I don't know if you guys have walked around your Walmarts, Targets, Kohl's, any of that. Back to school stuff has been in full force at my Walmart for at least 3 weeks. And I'm just going to walk you around my Walmart real quick and give you a glimpse of some of the things that they're showing. I am showing some of the clearance and rollback aisle right here where the drink bottles and the lunch buckets usually are on the side counters. But there is a back to school section as well, and there probably will be in your stores as well. Now's the time to go, friends, to go get your back to school shopping supplies, because there was no one in the aisles shopping when we were there. So my suggestion is to go now. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a great day.